From Daily Forex, this is Chris. Taking a look at the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. The S&P 500 has rallied quite nicely during the trading session here on Tuesday, initially pulling back, but then finding enough support to bounce from the trend line that I've marked on the chart. Now, I believe that it is only a matter of time before we continue to go higher, and therefore I like buying these dips. Continue to buy these dips. 50-day EMA, 3600, both I think offer a lot of support. Down here in the NASDAQ 100, you can see that we have bounced from a trend line as well. I think 13,000, 12,500, and 12,250 where the 50-day EMA all offer value. If we can break 13, then we'll go to 14,000 based upon the extrapolated move. One thing that you have to keep in mind is that the Senate elections in Georgia happen tonight, heading into the Wednesday session. And a lot of what happens next will be how the market kind of reads into the idea of a Republican or Democrat-controlled Senate. If the Democrats sweep the Senate, there's probably going to be an initial knee-jerk reaction to sell off, and then the next thing you know, Wall Street will be talking about all the massive amounts of stimulus. That's kind of how this game's played. So there might be a sudden knee-jerk reaction, and then everybody stops and goes, well, wait a minute, more cheap and free money at an even bigger level. So that's why I like the idea of a pullback, and even if we do get some type of massive sell-off in the middle of the night, by the time the Americans get back on board, or the following day when the Americans get back on board, very likely that we'll see people buy in the dip.